Finger family.
Ruth and Naomi. Since Samson's time, Canaan had become dry and arid, and there was a great famine in the land. Some of the Israelites returned south. One couple, Elimelech and Naomi, went to live in the neighboring country of Moab. They had 2 sons, and when these sons grew up, they married local women. After many years, Elimelech died, and shortly afterwards, his 2 sons fell ill. They also died, leaving Naomi and her daughters-in-law with no one to help farm the land. Naomi told her daughters-in-law that she was going to return to Bethlehem. "It is where I was born, and I belong there. You should go back to your parents. I'm sure you will marry again." Orpah, the elder of the 2 women, said her sad goodbyes and left. But Ruth, the youngest, would not let Naomi travel on her own. "Where you go, I go," she told Naomi firmly. When they reached Bethlehem, Ruth promised Naomi that she would provide for them both. Each day she went into the fields where the farmers were harvesting their crops and gathered up the wheat they had dropped. Boaz, a rich relative of Naomi's, lived in Bethlehem. He had heard how Ruth looked after the old woman. One day he stopped Ruth in the fields. "Everyone here is talking of your kindness. You are a stranger here, and your family is far away. Yet you stay to take care of Naomi. You have a soul as beautiful as your face." He told her that she was welcome to collect wheat in his fields whenever she wanted, and Ruth was very grateful. To Naomi's delight, Boaz and Ruth grew to love one another and were married.
If you like the video,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.